Charles Espantarion. I'm 20 years old. I'm sharing my short story.
This is my first question to you. Tell us a bit about yourself. What's your everyday life like?
I am Charles and I like playing basketball. My everyday routine is going to school. After that, I will do household chores and play basketball.
And then next, what's hobbies or activities do you really enjoy?
My hobbies that I really love is playing basketball.
The next question is, what's your favorite way to relax or have fun?
I'm pretty relaxed when I'm playing Mobile Legends.
That's it. The fourth question is, have you ever done something you're really proud of?
I am proud that I can do both school and work.
That's great. The fifth question is, what's something people often get wrong about you?
They think that I am arrogant, but in reality I'm still childish and friendly to others.
That's great. Let's proceed. Who do you look up to or admire in your life?
I admire my mother because I see the struggles and difficulties that she encountered but still move forward for me and my siblings.
Next question. What's one lesson life has taught you recently?
My life made me realize that being contented is the real happiness.
Okay. How do you deal with stress or through this?
When I'm stressed, I'm trying to communicate or open up with my family, friends, especially my girlfriend.
Next question is, what makes you feel confident or strong?
I feel strong and confident when I did something with my own without the help of others.
The last question is, if you could change one thing in the world, what would it be and why?
If I really give me a chance to change one thing in the world, I will answer that I don't need to change my world because I believe you need to be grateful for what you have right now.
So nowadays, kamusta na may buhay?
Ito, okay lang, may mga problema pero nalalagpasan naman.
That's great. Kamusta naman yung college life?
Mahirap, pero masaya.
Nag-enjoy ka ba ngayon sa mga share mong story about your life?
Oo naman, proud naman ako na na-share ko yung sa'yo, yung short story ko. And sana, ma-inspired yung mga nanonood sa atin, and ikaw na rin.
Nag-thank you na din ako dahil nag-share ka ng story sa akin. At thank you din sa pagpunta.